You may have heard that Pickit 3D has announced version 3.4 of its flexible 3D robot vision platform. In this video, we'll dive a little deeper into this important upgrade. One of the highlights of this new release is the whole new range of 3D cameras, covering more applications with improved performance and robustness. Today, we zoom in on the first of our new camera additions, the SD2. The SD2 is a second-generation high-performance new standard definition camera. Thanks to its increased field of view, it can replace both the previous MSD and LSD camera models, giving more possibilities to our customers. Offering an excellent price-quality ratio, this SD2 camera is typically used for standard bin picking and depalletization processes. However, it still has a significantly better point cloud resolution than its predecessor, allowing for a wider range of applications. The SD2 has an industry-grade IP65 rating and has a broad operating temperature range of -10 to 50 degrees Celsius. Its compact form factor makes it very suitable for robot-mounted applications. Compared to the previous standard definition models, this SD2 offers a far improved 3D accuracy between 4 and 10 mm. We are really excited to present this new high-performance standard definition camera, allowing our customers to address more automation scenarios while gaining efficiency and performance. Stay tuned for more updates and check our website for more information on the 3.4 release.